When it comes to subcontractor management, choosing the right software can make or break a project. So, which one is better for subcontractor management, Fieldwire or RedTeam? Let's dive into the details and break down what both platforms offer, while also looking at a better alternative at the end of this video. Let's start with Fieldwire. It's a popular choice for project management, particularly in construction, and it's easy to see why. Fieldwire offers strong task management features, helping subcontractors track work progress. One of the key benefits is the ability to create and assign tasks with deadlines, which can streamline communication and improve efficiency on the job site. However, while it's great for task management, it doesn't offer the most comprehensive financial tracking features, which can be a problem for managing budgets and costs. Next thing to consider is RedTeam. This software positions itself as an all-in-one solution for construction project management, including subcontractor management. One of its standout features is the integrated financial management tools, like job costing and invoicing, which can be a huge advantage when it comes to keeping subcontractor payments on track. However, while RedTeam shines in its financial capabilities, its user interface isn't as intuitive as Fieldwire's. It can be overwhelming for new users, especially those who just need a simple tool for subcontractor management. The third thing to consider is mobile accessibility. Both Fieldwire and RedTeam offer mobile apps, but Fieldwire has the edge here. The mobile experience is smooth, and field workers can easily access plans, tasks, and blueprints on the go. RedTeam's app, on the other hand, has received mixed reviews. Some users find it functional, but it can be slow and buggy at times, which can be a deal breaker when you need information fast in the field. Now let's talk about reporting and analytics. Fieldwire provides basic reporting features, which are fine for most teams, but it doesn't offer much customization. You're pretty limited in how you can track subcontractor performance. RedTeam, on the other hand, offers more in-depth reporting tools, especially around cost management and project timelines. That being said, some users find the reports difficult to navigate or not as customizable as they would like. The fifth thing to discuss is collaboration features. Both platforms allow for team collaboration, but Fieldwire offers more seamless communication tools. You can easily send messages, share files, and track changes. However, RedTeam offers a more complete solution for project management with contract management tools and a more centralized communication system, which could be a plus if you're managing multiple subcontractors and large teams. But here's the twist. While both of these platforms have their strengths, I personally found that neither fully met my needs when it comes to subcontractor management. After testing both, I found a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds. This platform has superior task management, strong financial tools, easy mobile access, and excellent collaboration features, all without the complexities and limitations of the tools we just discussed. If you want to try this better solution for yourself, I'd highly recommend taking advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. You're not just getting the best free trial, but also a tool that will save you time, streamline your workflow, and truly improve your subcontractor management process. So, while Fieldwire and RedTeam have their merits, if you want a more effective and streamlined approach to subcontractor management, make sure to check out the link below and get started today.